It's me again. So I wanted to just get on real quick, and I wanted to show you what's so great about this cleansing stick. Okay, so this is a cleansing stick. It comes in this month's Kudos, and you can see I've already been wiping some of my makeup off due to the fact that I've put both my children down and I've been sneezing like crazy, so I've got some allergies. So anyway, Younique cleansing stick. This is what's so badass about this, okay? So I put waterproof, hey Tracy! I put some waterproof mascara on today, and I just wanted to, so this is an oil-based makeup remover, okay? So it's got this little cap. I'm going to roll it up like a lipstick. And you guys are going to see how much makeup I actually put on my eyes in just a second. So I just rub this all over. Oh yeah, it's pretty. It's real pretty. And then I just lightly rub this over my eye makeup. I've got eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara, fibers in my mascara, eyebrow. Do you see how lightly I'm just rubbing that off? It's dissolving the makeup right there on my face without any tugging or pulling. Can you tell I'm tired? And I can put this all over my face, or I can just take this right on my eyes. So it's dissolving all that yucky makeup. I'm not gonna open my eye. I take a damp washcloth and then just wipe it away. My husband's watching the Bears game upstairs. If they don't win, it's gonna be really bad in Howard or Hasselt. Okay, so check it. Just a little bit of this nice, easy stick. Now I'm going to have to do it both sides because I got to take it all off. How easy is that? You just rub a little bit around on your eye. You can even do it on your whole face if you want. It doesn't have to just be your eye. Just do it all over. That's fine. Whatever. Just gently rub this and it dissolves your makeup. Hey Susie, thanks for hopping on. My new obsession right now is the waterproof mascara. Hey Barbara. And I also really, now you can open your eye, it doesn't hurt anything, but you can literally take this and just massage all that yucky makeup right off your face in 2 shakes. And then take either a shine wipe. I'm out of shine wipes at the moment, so I'm just using a wet washcloth, and I'm going to take all that gook off. Easy peasy. Okay, so what else do I do at my nighttime routine? So I took all that gooky stuff off. Hi. Now okay, so we put the cap right back on this amazing product. I'm gonna grab some rose water, which is also, it smells so yummy, you guys. This is a toner, so basically you're just gonna tone it with this. I love it. And then I take this other amazing thing called the Uplift Beauty Serum. Okay, and I've almost used this entire bottle, and to be honest, it won't even get in the dropper anymore. I can't even use the dropper. It comes in a dropper. Oh, look at there. Occasionally I'll open it up and it surprises me. So then I put this, I dab this underneath my eyes where I have a lot of dryness underneath my eyes and on my eyelids. Even if I put moisturizer on, so I put that on where my really sensitive skin is. And it really, really helps. I don't even get it in my wrinkles up there. And then I just end it with some moisturizer. I just tap that in. This is the hydrating day cream. We have a night cream, but I don't have it right now. So I just use the day cream, what I would normally use in the morning. If I don't put it on with my BB cream, my face on with using BB cream, I just put this on. And it smells like lavender. I love lavender. I actually bought some, I bought some shampoo and conditioner for my daughter the other day. And I went back to the store and they had, and it's lavender, and they had some body wash with the same scent. I'm like, oh, snatching that up real quick. So I just press that in. Hey, Janae. Hey, Sean. Just putting that on. And then the last thing I put on my face for nighttime routine, and it's not even like my face, it's just for my eyelashes, is the Esteem Lash Serum. So I always either put this on first thing in the morning when I get out of the shower before I even dry my hair, or put the rest of my the rest of my face on, is I put this on first thing in the morning because I always forget. Doesn't matter what I do, I forget. Because I'm 41 and I'm old. So I grab some of this stuff and either before I go to bed or first thing in the morning or both, I put this in my eyelashes. This is a growth serum, okay? So you just put it in there. And you forget about it. And it's got carrying agents that just kind of whistle it down into your eyelashes, into your eyelids, and it promotes growth and thickening of your eyelashes. It's easy, right? So just to recap, this is my nighttime routine. Hey, Leanne. Hey, Molly. I used this stuff, which is balls right here. It's the cleansing stick. It's in this month's Kudos. I've been talking about it, I don't know, for at least 2 weeks. It's an oil-based makeup remover. It will dissolve and remove your makeup, especially from your eyes. You can use it all over your face if you want to. It's really wonderful. It's really gentle, and it helps loosen up all the makeup on your eyes so you don't have to tug or pull at your really sensitive skin underneath there. I love it. It's amazing. We got it at convention this summer, and I've been using it since this summer, so it lasts too. So then after I do that, I just wipe away the excess makeup or whatever else I have on here with either a shine wipe, which I love, but I'm all out, or a wet washcloth. And then I spritzed my face with some rose water, which is just a natural toner. I put on some of the Uplift Beauty Serum, which I always put around my eyes, which is the most sensitive skin on my face. I love putting this right just underneath and around my eyes. And then I put moisturizer on the rest. And tonight they have, we carry, hey Tanya, we carry nighttime cream, but I don't have it, so I use what I do have. And right now I have the hydrating day cream, which even has an SPF 20 in it, which I won't need right now, but it smells so good and it feels so good on my skin. And right now I'm particularly dry because of the cold weather, so you gotta hydrate. And then I top that off with our Esteem Lash Serum on my eyelashes. So I'm all set for bed. I'm actually going to put a little bit of this on too. The lip exfoliator is amazing. I put this on before I go to bed. I put it on when I first get up. I put it on when I get out of the shower. I put it on before I put my makeup on. Hey, Margarita. Hey, Tammy. And it's just a really delicious sugar scrub. You just put on your lips, you squish it around. Now, to be honest, I don't even wipe it off most of the time. I eat it off. No, I'm kidding. Hey, Katie. I don't even wipe it off half the time. In the morning when I put it on, when I'm doing my makeup, I'll put it on, and by the time I'm done with my makeup, the sugar has dissolved, and I've already exfoliated my lips because I'm constantly rubbing them together. I just kind of use it as a chapstick, and then I just put my lips on right over it. So you can wipe it off, you can eat it off, or you can just let it soak in, and you're good to go, okay? So there's my nighttime routine. Hit me up if you have any questions. Again, the kudos this month comes with the cleansing stick, which I demoed tonight, which is amazing. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Sleep tight. I'm going to bed. I will see you later. Thanks for hopping on. Bye.